Hey guys, I thought it'd be a great first video for my channel to show you guys how to hew. So I will quickly show you the tools and the basic steps that are required, and then you can see me hewing the log from start to finish. So if you have any questions, comments, please comment in the section below and make sure to like and subscribe. So here we have it. These are all the tools that are required to hew a timber. You have a basic chalk line, you have a basic spirit level rule. That's a folding rule, which I like. Now you can use any sort of measuring device that allows you to find the center lines of a timber. You have a broad axe. There's many different styles. This particular one is a Swedish axe, which I absolutely love. Then you have a felling axe, and then a piece of iron to secure your log so it doesn't roll around. So that is it. Now, I think that's absolutely amazing. With such a small amount of tools, you can essentially create so many things. Now, when you get into the mortise and tenon joinery, there's a few other tools, but it's not that many more. So it's really a powerful skill and craft to know and to have in your tool belt. So I'll quickly do a demonstration on how to lay out your timber. So this is the timber I hewed yesterday. You can see I have horizontal and vertical level lines there, which is pretty simple to do. On a raw timber log, you just use a rule to find the center line in both the horizontal and vertical. Typically it lands close to the pith. On this one it landed pretty close. Then you use your spirit level to establish vertical and horizontal level planes. From there you begin to establish the size of the timber. So from that center line you measure the distance out that you are trying to create. In this particular case, I wanted to create a 6x6, and so I just came out from the center line, 3 inches, used my rule at that tick mark on the 3 level, same for the other side, 3 inches, vertical level line, and same for the top, 3 inches vertical level line, 3 inches down vertical level line. So that creates a square timber within a round shape, so that's the general outline and the tools that are required. So now that I've shown you, let's get into me hewing it. All right, guys, so after all that exercise, good cardio, we have a finished timber here. The total length is just a little bit over 15 feet, which will be perfect for what I need. It's a little bit over 6 square, but that's fine. So if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe.